All right, let's take a look at solving 6n squared minus n minus 12. It is not factorable, so we are going to use the quadratic formula. In order to do that, we need to know what ax squared plus bx plus c is and compare it to our function. So we can compare our squared terms, and we see that a is 6. We can compare our b terms, and we see that b is -1. We compare our c terms, and it is -12. So we plug into our formula. We have negative plus or minus the square root of something squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times whatever a is. So we see that b is our first number, so we're going to plug it in. So I'm going to have -1 plus or minus, and then I'm going to plug in -1 there again. And then we have 4 times a, which is 6, and c, which is -12. And on the bottom we have a, which is 6. So we have negative and negative is 1, plus or minus the square root. We're going to work out the discriminant right now. -1 squared is 1. -4 times 6 is -24 times -12, I believe is 288, but I could be wrong. Let's double check. 24 times 12, I'm pretty sure I'm wrong. Yeah, 24 times 12. 24 times 12. And we get 288. So I get 1 plus 288. It's plus because a negative times a negative is a positive. So 1 plus 288 is 289. So I have 1 plus or minus 289. We're going to finish up the bottom. 2 times 6 is 12. All right, so from there, we're going to take the square root of 289, which happens to be 17. So I have 1 plus or minus 17 over 12. So let's figure that out. We break this into its two parts. The first one being 1 plus 17 over 12. 1 plus 17 is 18 over 12. We divide both of this by 6. Both of those are divisible by 6. Okay, so 18 divided by 6 is 3. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So my first root is 3/2. Now, we're going to find the other root using 1 minus 17 over 12. 1 minus 17 is -16 over 12. Divide both of these by 4. 16 divided by 4 is going to be -4. 12 divided by 4 is going to be 3. So my two solutions to this problem are -4/3 and 3/2. Those are the two places where this line will cross the x-axis.